Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to my page. This is your one and only Raphael Whitney, the Dream Hunter. Today I'm going to take you to Citywalk. Right now I am at Dubai Mall of the Emirates bus station. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell icon notification, make sure you drop a nice comment. Okay, just stay tuned. I will go to the metro station now to join the next available train to Dubai Citywalk. So guys, now I am at the Burj Khalifa metro station, Dubai Mall metro station. As you can see behind me, that is the Burj Khalifa building in between the two buildings. So I'm going to take a walk to Dubai Citywalk. So just stay tuned and make sure you remember to subscribe to the channel, please. Dubai Citywalk is actually a very expensive district of Dubai to live in. If you want to move, if you know you can afford, to live in Citywalk, you can afford the cost of living in Citywalk, you can move to Citywalk. But if you know you can't afford it, no worries, you can come to Citywalk with your family and friends to have fun. There are a lot of restaurants and fast food in Citywalk. There are a lot of things to do in Citywalk. You can just come there, have fun with your family and friends. Dubai Citywalk is a nice place.